So here I've got these motion sensor wall lights, solar powered. We're gonna get these unboxed and get them installed. We purchased these lights to go on a shed and also a playhouse that we have in our yard. These are motion activated, so they'll turn on their own when they sense motion. So here's everything that comes with these lights. You've got your two main light units. You've got your solar panels for each light. You've got your mounting hardware, and you've got instructions. So looking closer at these lights, these are LED lights. There's 3 light units per module here. You've got your motion sensor, and then you've got your adjustable bracket. So that bracket back there will fit into this mounting bracket, so you can mount it onto the desired surface. And then we have the solar panel itself. This is going to collect the sun's energy and transfer it to the light so that the light can power on at night. You can see here also has the hinged bracket similar to the light. You can use this bracket to actually mount it onto the surface. And then you've got your power adapter here that will plug into the light. So it's really nice as this cable is over 15 feet long, gives you plenty of flexibility. You don't have to have the panel and your light super close together. You can have them up to 15 feet apart, giving you plenty of flexibility to mount your light where you want to and mount your solar panel in a location that will receive sunlight. With the solar panel, you've got your adapter here that will just plug into the base of the light. That's what will power the light on when motion is sensed and it's dark out. And for reference, these solar panels are not super big. You can see hand comparison there, really about the size of a cell phone. So these really aren't too big, aren't going to be really unsightly on wherever you're looking to mount them. Alright, we're just gonna let these collectors charge up for a while. I always like to check them out before I actually install them, just in case there's any issue. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half. These have been in direct sunlight for a while. We're gonna go ahead and test them out. There is a button on the back of them that we press to initially enable them. These both powered on. I just kind of waved my hand in front of them. They're giving off tons of light here in this bathroom, really lighting it up. So to me, this is showing the lights, the solar panels, they're all functional. I think we're safe to install these. The first thing we're going to do is just mount the bracket in place, and this is what's going to hold the light. And then super easy, we just slide our light into place and it's locked. Getting this light installed took all of 2 minutes here. We had 2 screws that we screwed into our playhouse here that holds the bracket, and then the light just slides in. This little tab down here can be used to release the light if you ever need to. And what's great is each individual light here can be manipulated to whatever orientation you desire, up, down, side to side. So lots of flexibility there. Now we're going to go ahead and get our solar panel mounted. And for this light, we're really not going to be going a far distance with the solar panel. Just a couple feet, almost directly above the light there. Yep. Once we have the bracket in place, similar to the light, we'll go ahead and slide our panel into place. Since we got the panel installed, we can just go ahead and plug in our power adapter to the light. Installation's complete here. Not the best at cable management, but I was able to hide these wires back here using a couple of screws and zip ties. We got our solar panel mounted up here. It's facing westward, so it should get plenty of light during the afternoon. Before I move my ladder away, I'm just going to make sure that I turn this on. It'll stay on for a few seconds, turn off. That shows it's activated. So shouldn't have to press that again. You can see how it looks. Definitely isn't too distracting here, and that'll give us a nice security light at nighttime. If there's any motion, it's going to turn on for 20 seconds. And then we've got our other light here on our pool shed. with our solar panel about 8 feet away. And this is facing south, so it should see plenty of sunlight throughout the day. So I'm out here testing out the lights, and I am probably a solid 25 feet away from the light here on the playhouse, and it just turned on. Now it's off. So we're gonna go ahead and just check it out again. Yep, just walking around up here, and this light is detecting my motion, turning on for the 20 seconds before it turns back off. I'd say that motion sensor is working nice. And here you can see just how much light that's giving off there. We are probably 30 feet away, and it picked me up here. As far as motion goes, very nice and bright. Highly recommend these lights if you're looking for a solar light that provides motion detection. No need for any electrical power. These things are great.